How to retrieve WhatsApp messages after unblocking the contact.
Welcome to our tutorial on how to retrieve WhatsApp messages after unblocking a contact. This video will guide you step by step on how to go about this process. However, it's important to note up front that WhatsApp does not officially support retrieving messages that were sent during the period a contact was blocked.
Understanding WhatsApp blocking and unblocking.
When you block a contact on WhatsApp, you prevent them from seeing your updates and sending you messages. The blocked messages are not stored by WhatsApp, so they cannot be retrieved after unblocking. Any messages sent to you by a blocked contact while they are blocked will not be available to you when they are unblocked.
Possible workarounds.
Even though WhatsApp doesn't officially support this feature, you could potentially retrieve some messages indirectly through a few workarounds. First, if the sender had a conversation backup before they were blocked, they can reinstall WhatsApp and restore the backup, which might include the sent messages. However, this method requires cooperation from the sender. Secondly, if the blocked contact is part of a mutual group, their messages sent in the group during the blocking period will be visible after unblocking. So, if the important messages were shared in a group chat, you won't lose those messages.
Avoiding message loss in the future.
To avoid the loss of messages in the future, consider muting the contact instead of blocking. This way, you won't receive notifications of their messages, but the messages will be stored in your chat history for when you're ready to view them. In conclusion, retrieving messages after unblocking a contact on WhatsApp can be a bit tricky as WhatsApp doesn't officially support it. Always consider your actions and the potential implications before you block a contact. Hopefully, this video has been helpful in understanding how to deal with this situation. Thank you for watching and stay connected for more helpful tutorials.